Just got done with this one. It's m939 5-ton. Alright, did a new muffler. Did the alternator. I don't know if you can see it up in there, but did the alternator. The other one fell apart. You can see it sheared right off the shaft. Yep. Also installed the ignition key. Tied up some of the wiring. I also had to add a white poly blocks, I guess. This tire was cutting pretty bad, as you can see. So I had to add a poly block to this end of hydro assist steering, because that side had about a ½ inch of play in it. So I took it apart, had a poly block in the inside, tightened it back up, shimmed it up, and that's good. Just fastened up some lines. There was a fuel line that feeds the high pressure fuel pump. It was bad also, so I replaced that line. And we got a airline brake right here, it looks like. Keep on looking and keep on seeing. I think that's just how that goes. So that's a new brake I just spotted. Military 5-ton. I don't know exactly what year it is. A 94. We're at 89. Also added an ignition switch right there. So now it has a key. Got rid of the regular switch, but as you can see, this thing's pretty cool. Five-ton. All the nifty stuff. Same customer. I also did a Jeep for him. It's had 3 axles. C-clips fall out already. So it's a 2000 Jeep Wrangler. I did a 8/8 swap in it with a full truss from Barnes 4-wheel drive. Getting ready to pick all this up. I should have shot video of this already, but whatever, he's picking it all up right now. So the brake works, everything's good. Here's underside video shot. So Barnes 4-wheel drive, full truss kit. You can see the brake lines, disc brakes. So if a C-clip does have an issue this time, the axle is not going to slide out. It's got e-brakes all the way around. I use the 8/8 adapter to go to the factory U-joint, which is a 1310, and the factory 8/8 was a 1330 U-joint. So I'll fix that up. But this one turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So just remember, when you order the brake line e-brake cables, though, they're not exact length. So maybe you should order 2 instead of 1. Did the extended brake line here to the frame, to the axle. Alright, fully welded tubes to the case. Tubes to case weld. Full truss weld. Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. But you shouldn't have a problem with it now. If it does, it's just being too hard on it. But it is a Jeep with a stick in it. So if this was an automatic, probably wouldn't have had the factory axle issue so many dang times, but that's what it is. He uses this out on the farm up in Woodland Park. So, but Jeep Wrangler, that's that.